okorobịa dị mma eze Jizọs okorobịa dị mma anyị sokwa gị n'azụ okorobịa dị mma eze Jizọs okorobịa dị mma anyị sokwa gị n'azụ okorobịa dị mma eze Jizọs okorobịa dị mma anyị sokwa gị n'azụ okorobịa dị mma eze Jizọs okorobịa dị mma ihe kwuru ga-eme Ikpumkpu 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 to cover Ikpumkpu to cover Agha Uno Agha 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 in Igbo means war. Agha in Igbo means fight. War. Then uno, U-N-O in Igbo, uno. In Spanish, uno means one. In Spanish, uno, when you hear about uno, it means one. In Igbo, when you hear about uno, uno means home, house. Like your community, they are your uno, you know, the uno. All uno, like family member, nation member, they are all uno. Then the Agha uno, that means the war. In uno, in your home, in your house. It could be from the extended family, from cousin, from nation, from town you came from language you speak, or that speak same language with you. They are all uno. Then the problem there, everybody no unity. This group ganging against this group ganging against this group. In uno, like the family and the nation. Brothers, sisters, families, parents, war within themselves. Father go separately with the other children. Mother, some support the parents, some support the mother. Everywhere scattered. Communities scattered, cousins scattered. No unity. Town, villages scattered. If you are not careful, they are ready to attack you physically. Use all means to get the person down. Use all means, even put poison in that person's food, and the person eat and die. They can use all means. They are all Agha uno. And most times, when you bring the community, the family together, and ask them, this particular family member, everybody are fighting, everybody are ganging against. What crime did this person commit? At the end, you see that they have no answer. They continue talking rubbish. Oh, he can't do this, he can't do that. Is that the reason all the war going against the person? Did he commit any crime? No. Did you hear he was involved in any kind of armed robbery, terrorist attack, or terrorizing the community, or police case, or any problem, or stab somebody, or rape somebody, or molest the innocent? No. Then why are you ganging against this person, this family member? Everybody hating on a particular family member. In the community, some community hating this particular family. because they are progressing. They are all Agha Uno. Then Agha Ilo. Agha, I told you, Agha, Agha, war and fight. Then Ilo, Ailo, Ilo. Ilo means foreign, you know, a foreign war, outside war, other nation, other countries, hating on your country, hating on your nation. And when you go to their country, they are looking for a way to get you in trouble, lock you up. They are looking for a way to put you in trouble. They could send their females, and their females will come around you in disguise and claim they love you. They want to spend the rest of their life with you. You trust them. They show you kindness, show you hospitality. Come closer to you. Next, the females gang against the person and call the authority and accuse the person he raped her. And they arrest the person, put him in jail. They are all Agha Ilo, foreign war. Because of the maybe negative history you have against their country, or you hate them, or you say in ancient time what they did to our ancestors. We read in this book, and the book said in 1908, or your book said in 1501, they did this to our ancestors. And most of you, what you are fighting for, you have no evidence. You are accusing other country, accusing this nation. But when they ask you, did you see them with your eyes? You say, our history book told us. Then war starts. You see the difference. Then Agha Uno. Sometimes family. There are so many families, no unity. Remember, I give you an example of, I think Joseph. Joseph the dreamer. He dreamed and saw the future. He shared his dream with his family member. His family members he trusted. He trusts. That could help him move to the next level. That could help him understand more about the dream. But the dream, all his dream made his family members turn against him. Did he commit any crime against them? No. What did he do? Just like that, they are jealous, angry. Next, they sold him, took him to, I think, the Ishmaelite. They took him to another land. That was how they got rid of him. And they already concluded, we have got rid of him. He is dead. They are, I'm explaining to you, Agha Uno. Then they sell him, he moved to another land. There he stayed. And then they are celebrating. And some of them must have even taken all his property. Maybe some land, his own share from the family. Or maybe his own share of the land. Maybe sold to others, and the family received money. Happy. We got rid of Joseph. Now we're balanced. But they didn't know where they sent him. He's going there to live like a king, to be like a king, and live good life and control resources, rich, live like a king. At the end, there were famine, hungry everywhere. The stone the builders rejected as worthless. The stone the builders rejected when building later turned to be the most needed, later turned to be the cornerstone. Everybody are looking for that stone now. We need this stone. We need everybody searching for the stone, the rock. When you see this word in the Bible, you don't know what they mean. You just read them and pass. You refuse to contemplate, deep thinking, meditate on the word. The stone turned to be the most needed. Everybody are searching for the stone now. But everybody, when the stone was with them, sitting there, to Joseph, No appreciation. Eh? They got rid of Joseph. But now they have to go there. Next thing, they even came to beg for food from Joseph. That's the meaning. The stone the builders rejected like worthless, yeah, turned to be the most needed, the cornerstone. You see the difference? Agha Uno, Agha Ilo. Then Agha Ilo, like many experience in the gospel. Some of the apostles, Jesus, sometimes when you go to other place outside there preaching, you hear that some group came to interrupt him, or where he is in the outside. Yeah? And sometimes the Pharisees, yeah, they are coming to him. They just came up with their own question, yeah, to see, to hear, or to know the kind of reply he will give to them. Then they will use the reply and spread them to everybody. Then they get Jesus in trouble. Sometimes they come, they say, should we stop paying money, I think paying tithe to Caesar, something like that. They just come up and ask him questions in public. Yeah? And these people asking these questions, to learn? No. To get good message from what we're talking about? No. They are coming to question you out of hatred, out of wickedness, yeah, to pull you down, to get you in trouble. They are example of Agha, Ilo, the outside world, the Agha Uno within the family. It could be from the village, from the community, yeah, within the country. They are all Agha Uno. Then Agha Ilo, foreign, outside war. Yeah? Then all the energies, the negative energies causing Agha Uno, domestic war and fight, and Agha Ilo, outside and foreign fight, making nations, piling up weapons, building missiles, different kind of weapons. Yeah? Everybody are ready. They are waiting for who shoot first. Then you see missile bomb flying in all airspace. And some of my Christian, most of the ignorant Christians that call themselves Christians, none of them, they refuse to seek for solution. You see, most of them are sitting there, are saying, we must fulfill the book, we must fulfill the Bible, we must fulfill the word of the prophets, the prophets. It's in the Bible, and Bible said all the words must come to pass. It must happen. And some of them think the war they are talking about, maybe girlfriends versus girlfriend. You guys hold your clothes, tear your clothes. Next thing they separate you. Police come settle the matter. You go free. Or maybe the guy dragging for the girl, they fight, they separate them. Some of them think the war they are talking about, that's the kind of war the Bible, all these prophecies are talking about. You that want to fulfill the book, that want to fulfill the prophecy, how are you sure that when this war starts, that all of you in that your group, in that your foundation, you will survive? But you are sitting there, let's fulfill the book, fulfill the word of the prophets. It's written in the Bible, they prophesy. You refuse to know the energy speaking through these people that call themselves, they are prophesying death, war, destruction, earthquake, fire burning everywhere, scatter, famine everywhere, flooding, earthquake, tsunami, everywhere scattered. Half of this nation gone, half of this country gone. You refuse to ask yourself, what are the energies speaking through these people, using them to cast this word and speak them and cast them like spell against the world, cast them like spell against families, kingdom against kingdom, nation against nation, family against family, father and mother rising against their children, children rising against their parents. It's in the Bible. We must fulfill the word of the prophets. Nobody want to seek the dialogue, to use our own knowledge to solve the problem. With dialogue, diplomacy, everybody calm down, and spiritual, pray and banish these negativities. Nobody care. Everybody, nobody wanna say, I am sorry. Nobody wanna lower themselves. Then calm the situation down. Everybody, nobody is wrong. Everybody are right. To destroy all the Agha Uno and all the Agha Ilo, the energy causing them. Making families no unity. Ganging against family member. In community, some community ganging against some kindred ganging against some kindred. Nations, in countries war, domestic, this tribe, this religion in the same country. Everybody fighting. Then foreign, everybody are ready to start shooting, dropping bombs in all countries against themselves. The energy causing these things, this evil, to destroy all of them and turn them upside down and their base. I use all animals, roast their sense. 33 bitter colors, male dog, nketa, okay nketa, male dogs, okay obago, otinku chicken, 4 he goats, baby spoilers, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins. Destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Then to block them, I use all animals, roast their sense. 33 bitter colors, Ebo ngene green blocking. Uncountable rabbits. Chuku and Ndotie walls all colors blocking. Biophysical and spiritual giant walls. Block all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And these energies causing wars, making everybody aggressive. Family against family. Nation against nation. Other countries rising against this country. Plotting secret attack, secret meeting. They're trying, waiting for this country to lose guard. Then they take them unaware and start fighting, bombing them. The energy making them do that. Speaking to them like God. Speaking to them like their ancestors. Deceiving them to cover all these energies. I use black trash bags, plastic bags, black blanket, aquoji. Bring them down, cover all these energies, bring them down, put all of them in basket, tie them, chain them, blind them, block them, bury them, cover all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And the ones who already possess in the leaders, in nations, in everybody, in people, making everybody aggressive, everybody are ready. Or they are researching weapon that can, when we drop this weapon in this state, in 1 minute time, everybody gone, wipe out. The ones already in people, in any science and technologies, giving them different solution, showing them different kind of, or to add to their weapon, that will destroy everybody. The ones already possess there in all science and technologies, in mind, in soul, in head, in body, in the innermost self, in all countries. To cast them out, I use all animals, roaster, sense, frogs, goat, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors, burning incense, burning sage. Cast all of them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and I free all. All come together worldwide and prayer. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, all countries. We part. We use water, buy eggs, drinks, all that goes into the body that are good. To welcome this prayer, their power, authorities, manifestation, free from all war, free from all fight, domestic, foreign, outside, all kind of problems, all free, and make everybody worldwide calm down, live in peace, and move forward, and energize us, energize future generation. Then war cease. No more war, no more domestic war, no more Agha Uno, family versus family, kindred versus kindred, nation versus nation, in the country among themselves fighting, tribes, religion, outside war, foreign war. No more cease to exist, and move us forward. We use 22, 33 uncooked eggs, all angers rising, making everybody aggressive to serve, aggressive to others, everybody ready to die, and nobody want peace. Everybody are ready to come out to the street, start shooting. Everybody buying different kind of big weapons, storing them in their house, in their building, because they say the Bible say war. I think they say war of Armageddon. When everywhere we scatter, everybody come out, start shooting, bomb flying everywhere. I use 2233 on Cook Edge. All these angers rising, making everybody aggressive. I use them, still calm and terminate all the angers. And I say to all, Oduduro, Otutunkonkoro, Oduduro, Otutunkonkoro, Oduduro, Otutunkonkoro, all the energies, Oduduro, Oduduro, Otutunkonkoro, be still, calm and terminate. Prayer transfer to all states in USA, transfer to USA science and technologies, based here in United States, prayer here, based here, then other countries can copy and share, but the base, all my prayer, here in United States. In conclusion, there are some that don't know who I am, that started seeing me on social media in my country, in Africa, in other countries. And some of them be like, maybe he's seeking for asylum. Maybe he's looking for visa. He has his visa and he's seeking for a green card, permanent resident, and maybe he's seeking to be a citizen, USA citizen. And some of them will be like, they know nothing about me. Then they are good praying, casting spell, making donation in group, morning, afternoon, night, reciting different words of incantation they know, in their group. They have sacrificed, going to different shrines, reporting my name, and saying to the gods, make United States deny him green card, make United States deny him becoming a USA citizen. And they are taking money and they are saying, we agree. It must be done. And everybody are praying for me, for them, United States, to deny me citizenship, deny me green card, deny me visa, and deport me and go back to Nigeria in Africa. Then everybody laugh at Sanko. But you guys, your craft, whatever that is speaking to you guys there, I want to open your eyes. You are in delusion. Whatever I'm telling you, he's seeking for visa. He's seeking for citizenship. Let's block him. I am a senior USA citizen, for your information. I became citizen in USA citizen in 2017, July 2017. And the date I went for interview, July 22, because I'm 22. July 22, I passed the interview. Then the next month in August, I went for my oath ceremony. And the date I went for my oath ceremony in August 22. So United States confirmed me like they reconfirmed 22. Yeah, 22, yeah. They made me their citizen. And I respect the law. Bro, anything, any problem, or any place that will put me in trouble, make me go against their law, break law, or involve myself in kind of robbery, or going to attack store, or abuse, or rape, I stay out of trouble. Yeah, and I know they see me, they know me, and they love me, because I'm honest, moving them forward. Yeah, praying for the United States first, then other country can follow, but United States comes first. In conclusion, again, all worldwide, I am a senior USA citizen. I am a senior USA citizen, and all the senior the USA citizen benefits, and all the help and the resources must come to me. I am a senior USA citizen. I'm seeking for no visa. I'm seeking for no green card. I am a citizen, USA senior citizen. I can contest in some election, run for a post. I have the right to select who I want to be the leader. Pray them, vote for them. And the party I've been voting in Democratic Party. The last president I voted, the first time I voted in USA, President Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. And the second term, next year, 2024, I think in November election, they have my vote again. I vote President Joe Biden and Kamala Harris in. All our senators, all our reps, all Democrats running for office in my district, I continue to vote them in. And I continue to campaign, telling other states, praying, campaigning, vote in all my Democrats. I am a USA senior citizen. Sanko FM chief priest Peter Odira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief priest USA. I say, I am a senior USA citizen. So fucking what it be. I am a senior USA citizen. So fucking what it be. Forward.